Hi everyone, Laurel Mintz here, CEO of Elevate My Brand. We have been creating blogs and vlogs for years, and one of the blogs that gets the most attention historically is how to create a great press kit, or EPK. Now the first thing I want to tell you is EPK, press kit, media kit, they often have a lot of different names. Deck is another name for it. They're all the same thing. It's basically who are you, what do you do, and why should someone care about it. Now, making sure that you're really clear on your audience when you develop a press kit is really important so that you're speaking to who that specific audience is. If you go to elevatemybrand.com and the contact page, you can download our press kit and see how we built ours out. But your press kit should typically include your elevator pitch. Like what are you about in a very succinct way? Your logo, of course, because people want to build brand equity and brand loyalty. Your team, their names, positions, headshots, because you want to make sure that it's really about the people. Those are the press kits that really land the best. Your offerings, so your products or services outlined in very clear and succinct. Social proof, this one is really, really important. Case studies, testimonials, making sure that you're not just saying, hey, we're an amazing marketing agency, but we're also saying, look at all these organizations that also believe that we are an amazing marketing agency, and even getting more granular and specific about what we've done to support those brands and their growth. And you can do that too, even if you're a really early new stage brand. Like you should be using some guinea pigs and out there testing with people even for free to receive those testimonials to build out a proper press kit. Contact information, obviously, if you're sending out your press kit, you want to make sure that people can reach out to you to ask you for more information, sign up, buy your products and services, etc. And then last but not least, your social channels, so that if maybe they're not ready to make a purchase when they receive your press kit, they're at least following you on your different social channels so they can stay up to date with the different kinds of content, new testimonials, new service and product offerings, etc. And that's how you build a great press kit. Of course, reach out if you want to learn more, and feel free to download us. Ours and copy paste. Like again, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. We say this about most things we talk about here. Check ours out and let us know what you think.